Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are focusing on a design concept that bridges the gap between indoor comfort and outdoor living, the semi-outdoor kitchen. Whether you love hosting backyard gatherings or simply want to elevate your daily routine, this architectural style offers a unique way to connect with nature while enjoying the convenience of a fully equipped kitchen. Let's dive into what makes this design so special and how you can bring it to life in your own home. A semi-outdoor kitchen is a thoughtfully designed culinary space that sits partially sheltered, typically under a roof, pergola, or covered patio, while remaining open to the surrounding outdoor environment. Unlike a fully enclosed kitchen, it utilizes the natural airflow and views of your garden or backyard. It acts as an extension of your home, often blurring the transition between your indoor living area and your external landscape. By providing protection from the elements while maintaining an open-air atmosphere, it creates the perfect environment for both everyday cooking and sophisticated entertaining. One of the primary benefits of a semi-outdoor kitchen is the seamless integration of your home's interior and exterior spaces. This design allows you to enjoy the fresh air and natural sunlight while still having access to professional-grade appliances and comfortable cooking conditions. It significantly expands your functional living area, making it ideal for hosting parties or family dinners where guests can mingle in the open air while you prepare food. Furthermore, these kitchens are excellent for controlling cooking odors and heat, as the natural ventilation prevents smoke and grease from lingering, keeping your indoor kitchen cleaner and more comfortable during heavy meal preparation. Beyond functionality, it adds substantial value to your property by transforming an ordinary patio into a high-end, lifestyle-enhancing feature that is increasingly sought after in modern residential design. To ensure your semi-outdoor kitchen looks as good as it performs, focus on cohesive design elements that harmonize with your home's overall aesthetic. Start by selecting durable materials that can withstand outdoor conditions, such as natural stone, treated wood, or powder-coated metals. Incorporate lighting that transitions from functional task lighting for your grill area to soft, ambient, or warm accent lighting for evening dinners. The use of textures is vital. Pairing sleek stainless steel appliances with organic elements like stone veneers or wooden ceiling beams adds depth and character. Additionally, consider integrating greenery by placing potted plants, vertical herb gardens, or climbing vines nearby to soften the structural lines. By keeping the color palette balanced, perhaps using earthy tones or a clean, modern monochrome, you ensure that the space feels like a natural sanctuary rather than just a utility area. The secret to a successful semi-outdoor kitchen lies in choosing the right equipment and accessories. A high-quality grill or pizza oven is usually the centerpiece, but it is equally important to include weather-resistant cabinetry that provides ample storage for utensils, pans, and dry goods. An integrated sink is a must-have for efficiency, while an outdoor-rated refrigerator ensures your ingredients and beverages stay chilled without needing to run back inside. Don't forget durable countertop surfaces like granite, concrete, or weather-resistant quartz, which provide a clean workspace. To make the space truly functional for longer periods, consider adding an outdoor heater for cooler months or a ceiling fan to keep air moving during the summer. Finally, comfortable seating, such as bar stools at a kitchen island or a dedicated dining set, is essential for making the area a social hub for your family and guests. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best semi-outdoor kitchen ideas to inspire you for your next project. One rustic timber haven. This design features warm, exposed wooden beams and a classic pergola structure, creating a cozy lodge feel. The combination of gray stone brickwork and dark timber creates a perfect contrast, while the wood-fired pizza oven and built-in grill make it a chef's paradise for autumn gatherings. 2. Modern monochrome minimalism. This sleek, white brick design offers a crisp and clean aesthetic. By incorporating a high-tech flat-top griddle and a bold red ceramic cooker, the space becomes a modern focal point. The addition of a wall-mounted television makes this the ultimate spot for sports nights and backyard entertainment. 3. Luxury marble feature. This sophisticated setup showcases a stunning floor-to-ceiling marble backsplash that serves as the centerpiece. With a minimalist quartz island and integrated ambient LED lighting, it provides a high-end culinary experience that feels like a professional indoor chef station moved into a serene garden setting. 4. Spacious entertainer's retreat. Designed for large-scale hosting, this kitchen features dual workspaces and a massive stone-topped island. The blue umbrella and outdoor dining set extend the utility of the kitchen directly onto the patio, providing a clear view of the sprawling lawn and forest backdrop. 5. Elevated deck integration. This design proves that even smaller spaces can be luxurious. By using a minimalist approach with a single lounge chair and a compact beverage cooler, it creates an intimate, modern sanctuary that utilizes the natural deck flooring to blend perfectly with the surrounding tree canopy. 6. Classic stone and greenery. The use of large, natural fieldstone walls gives this space a timeless, rustic charm. The bright green cabinetry creates a playful yet elegant pop of color, making the area feel like a high-end country estate terrace while maintaining a professional-grade kitchen setup. 7. Organic timber and steel. This kitchen highlights the beauty of natural wood cabinetry paired with dark, matte black countertops. It is a masterclass in balance, offering a warm and welcoming aesthetic while maintaining the industrial durability needed for an open-sided, semi-outdoor environment. 8. Tech-forward beverage station. Focusing on convenience, this kitchen is centered around a modern, glass-fronted beverage cooler and high-end stainless steel appliances. The warm wood paneling surrounding the kitchen area creates a soft, inviting atmosphere that makes it perfect for evening wine tasting and outdoor relaxation. 9. Seamless indoor-outdoor flow. By utilizing large, foldable glass doors, this kitchen essentially becomes a part of the interior living space. The soft, neutral color palette and bar-style seating encourage communication between the kitchen prep area and the adjacent living room, creating a cohesive family environment. 10. Grand Granite Island. This design is defined by its massive, polished granite countertop which doubles as a prep surface and a dining bar. The dark charcoal cabinetry contrasts beautifully with the stone pillars, creating a robust and permanent structure that is ready for heavy-duty cooking and large family events. As we have explored today, a semi-outdoor kitchen is so much more than just a place to grill. It is a lifestyle choice that allows you to embrace the seasons, host with confidence, and add immense value to your home. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of stone and timber or the crisp look of modern white brick and marble, there is a design out there that fits your unique personality and architectural style. We hope these top 10 ideas have sparked your creativity and helped you visualize the potential of your own backyard. If you enjoyed these inspiring semi-outdoor kitchen designs, please hit that like button and subscribe to Decor Designs for more expert home improvement content. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us which design was your favorite. Are you team rustic stone or modern minimalist? Click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos, and share this with a friend who is currently planning their home renovation. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.